Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming battery and firmware. Low power kills connection mid-flight. Put AirPods in their case and check the case LED. Charge if under 50%. Before the aircraft doors close, switch your device to airplane mode, then re-enable Bluetooth so you comply with rules while keeping wireless audio available. If the seat has a wired jack, also pack a compatible adapter. Once done, open the case and pair quickly to avoid delays while the cabin fills. You should pair and fine-tune settings immediately after boarding. Open the case near your device and accept the pairing prompt, or pick AirPods from Bluetooth settings if needed. Make sure to enable active noise cancellation or transparency based on whether you want quieter background or to hear crew announcements. Adjust using the control center or ear squeeze controls. Also set volume lower than you normally would. Air pressure makes sound seem louder. Once stable, test audio with a short. You complete the session by packing properly and planning for the ride home. Keep the case in your carry-on during taxi, takeoff, and landing. If crew requests, use one ear or remove them. If you need more battery, use in-seat USB or a power bank between flights. If something goes wrong, try a quick troubleshooting sequence. Forget the AirPods on your device, press and hold the case button until the LED flashes, then repair. This reset resolves most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.